are assuming that there are certain set of folders that have been created once we create a new project. Okay, so we'll look into the folders that are being added when we create a new project and what all things are actually important for us, right? So you'll be finding most of the time you upload an entire Vivado project, but that may be written for a different version. Okay, so you might be having a different version of a Vivado and then you are stuck because some of the IPs may not be compatible to the version that you have. You might already been having an upgrade of an IPs. All are the folders that have been added once you create a project, right? So this is a Vivado project file. So once you click on this file, it will create a new project of a Vivado, or it will just open the Vivado project that we have over here, right? Once you go into sources, you have all the information that is relevant to a sources. So for example, all the HTML codes, right? So the design wrapper code that we create, you'll be finding inside HTML1, and then hardware handout. Here you'll be finding the TCL script create the project. Okay, so this, if you open with Notepad++, you'll be finding a whole lot of script has been written over here. So if you just copy an entire script right from a beginning to the end, and if you just paste it to the Vivado, you'll be finding that it automatically create the new project for the default from the default directory. So let me just show you. Okay, so I'll just copy an entire code right from beginning, and this is the TCL console. Okay, I haven't created anything yet. I'll just go in where I can put a command. Okay, and I'll paste an entire thing, and then I'll just try to create a project. So here you'll be finding already exist. Please use a force option to actually overwrite. Okay, what we can actually do is let me just go inside the script and then find out where we are actually creating the folder. Okay, so we can just recognize it very easily. It is not that much difficult. Okay, here we are creating a new project. Okay, create project, project one, and then this one is there. We will just copy it to the, let us suppose, project 2. Okay, and then probably this is the design name we have, create design, and then so on and so forth. So let us just now, we have just changed this to from project 1 to project 2, and let us just now copy a entire thing and paste it inside a TCL console, and let's see if everything works fine. Okay, so I've pasted an entire script. So you'll be finding without looking into the files that are present inside the directory that has been uploaded on a GitHub, you'll be finding automatically all the IPs and their connection will be automatically generated, and you can immediately proceed towards an SDK. You'll be finding an entire design is automatically created, and in fact you can just click on validate design and it will be successful. Okay, so this is how you can use the TCL script that you have inside the source folder, okay, and which is pretty much useful. The next thing that we require is an SDK source file, right? So if you just go to a folder where you have all the folders that are or subdirectories that have been created, you have called something called as an SDK. So if you just go inside an SDK, so the 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 application project that you create, basically talk is always we have used. So if you just go inside that, inside the sources, you'll be finding all the codes are present. Okay, so you can just go ahead and open it, and then you can paste it in the application that you require. So